and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're making a Thai chicken yellow curry. I just wanted to show you where I am because I'm actually in Thailand at the moment, and this is the view out of the kitchen window. Not too shabby. Anyway, let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to get started with a pan. We're going to get in some coconut milk. And what we need to do is reduce this down. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring it. And then what we're going to do, get some lovely Thai curry paste in there. And that's going to be the basis of this really super easy curry. Be back in 4 or 5. Okay, as you can see, this is reducing down a little bit, which is great. Now I'm going to add in our curry paste. We're using the yellow paste today. That's the brand I'm using. Hundreds of brands on the market, and they're pretty good, the paste, you know what I mean? They're not kind of like that awful pasta sauces, you know, the kind of ragu pasta sauces you get in jars, which is just like baby food. They're pretty disgusting. This stuff is pretty good, no matter what brand you use. They're all pretty handy. Now, of course, we're using the yellow here today, but there's red, there's green, and many others. Right, simply with this heat on fairly high, we're going to cook this. So we've got another sort of 3 to 4 minutes or so. Keep stirring all the time. This really is coming together beautifully. At this point, I'm going to add in my chicken. I've got chicken breast. There's no skin, no bone on this. Chicken thigh actually is really good with this curry, nice and juicy. So you can try that as well if you wanted. And again, we're now going to cook our chicken in here, stirring all the time. We're still on a fairly lively heat, and I'm going to go for 5 or 6 minutes now. And this is coming together so well. Really simply. More coconut milk. I've got these little packets here that I've got locally. Lime leaves. Just going to break those in. And as you break it, it kind of releases its lovely flavour. What we're going to do now is reduce the heat down. I'm going to let that go for 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, and there you go. If you wanted, you could add some salt. But, you know, for me, everything's in that Thai paste, that curry paste, which is wonderful. I'm loving that. Super easy. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?